Can you sing Mama a song?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, A, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I number A, B, C. Yes, I want to share with me.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Can you sing new song?
Good job.
Yesterday.
Our
Oh, sing so far.
Tatiana.
Now it looks as though that
Tatiana.
Tatiana, 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 Tatiana.
I see Tatiana.
You did? Did you?
Yeah.
Oh. What did you do with Tatiana?
Play the toys.
You played with the toys. Okay.
With the phone.
What, baby?
The phone. The phone.
Mommy's talking to you from her phone. I'm calling you from my phone.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did you go to the park today with Rosa?
Yeah.
What'd you play on? Did you play on the swing?
Yeah.
What else?
Did you eat your dinner for Dada?
I have toys.
Tortillas.
You had toys.
Tortillas. Did you have tortillas?
I look at the boat.
She's making a boat. You saw a fire truck?
Yeah.
Was it making noise?
Yeah. What's the sound of this?
Oh. All right, bye.
Bye.
Say night night, Mama.
Night, night.
Night-night. Night-night, Ted.
Night.
Miss you.
Miss you too.
Bye, Tina. Charlotte. Will we sing Oh My Charlotte?
Oh, my son.
Charlotte. Oh my Charlotte.
Reach me down and
I love you, 'cause you are so very
cute.
Bye.
Bye.
I love you.
I love you.
Aww. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Have a lovely sleep.
Say have a lovely sleep, Mama. Charlotte. Charlotte. Say have a lovely sleep, Mama.
Okay, I'll go. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
All right, bye.